Going to take a few videos of some of these repairs I do. I have to change the battery in this for a friend of mine. The whole job is a pain in the neck unless I'm doing more than one game. Otherwise I have this whole apparatus I have to set up to do this. A whole bunch of stuff. That box with all kinds of batteries and stuff in it. And this box with soldering irons and wire cutters and tester and all that nonsense. So I like to do more than one. It's just too much work to set up for one game. I prefer to do these in bulk. Now I'm going to do a voltage test on this, and I'm not sure exactly if I'm going to press the right side. Yep, of course I'm doing it backwards. So I'm going to do this, and you're getting less than in this battery. He's saying you're not even getting 1 volt out of this. Got a meter over there. Maybe too far. It's really dead. Battery won't. The game won't save. Either that or it's one of those things where it doesn't have. Or it won't do the time events. So then I'm going to test a new battery. So I'm curious how much voltage a new battery has over the old battery. And wow, now you can definitely see how much that jumped. Woo, with a new battery right there. So I'm going to set this up on 3 volts. I keep doing that. See that? Over 10. Wow. I mean, I don't even know what that's putting out. But that's crazy. That's a lot. This is a CR1616 battery. Replacement for this. And then I'm going to piece a video together with this video. Change the battery on that Donkey Kong. Of course my wire is caught up underneath the camera. So one mistake I made is I didn't put my light. One thing I didn't do. I'm going to have to get my light. It's very dim in this room. Even with that third light I have over there, it's just very dim.
Every time we do that, every time. Every time we talk, she talks. Every time.
Now what I don't like about these new batteries, you gotta bend them a little bit. They're not made exactly the same. You can see they lay up on there. So basically I gotta bend them down before I continue. Well, I just noticed the strangest thing, and I had to really double check on this, but if you look, this battery, the positive is on that side, and on this it's on the other side. Normally the battery would go in like this, but on these replacement batteries it's the other way, and that threw me off. As you can see, it's positive there, positive there. Okay, they flipped it and put it on the other side. Doesn't really make a difference as long as you have the positive on the right side, and that's negative and positive is over there. I'm hoping that my solder is enough, because I ran out of the thin type. I really have to stock up, and I don't have any local joints around me that sell this stuff, so I gotta go quite distance to get it, or order it online and wait. It's not good to breathe this, so I kind of blow on it. a little better. This little, I think this is a chain cutter. I'm not sure what this is, but it does a really good job of helping me hold the battery in place. The camera's kind of in my way. What I don't like about the solder, because it likes to ball up. Need more heat on the board itself. Video's gonna be too long. Try to get it on this side now. I really need is that to needed that to mend just like it did right there. Needed to flip it around, trying to reach, wasn't happening. And then I'm gonna do a test, put it back together. I cleaned the contacts. I used Scotch-Brite. Alcohol. I'm gonna clean it with alcohol, put it back in here. Then I'm gonna do that Super Nintendo game. I went over to soldering again because I just wanted to be sure it was okay. Here's the game. So I'm gonna start it and see there's a save file on there. Judd. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna continue. Now what I'm gonna do, go over here, save this game, maybe save file, override it, saving, don't turn the power off, just save the game, so battery is fixed. Uh-oh, somebody cut me off. There's a brighter screen version, so it get brighter. And that's it. There's the game. There's the dead battery. Okay, on to the next.